Sina Lou at Tori may maagang girl talk.
You're seeing someone.
No, I'm not. Super wrong timing. We broke up with our girlfriend. And we saw each other a week after. Then we got back together. What? But he's nice.
They all are. Until they don't choose you.
Maya-maya si Andre naman ang nakakwentuhan ni Lou habang nasa hugasan.
Do you do dishes?
Yes, my own.
Is it lonely?
I
living
made...
by yourself, or do you have a lot of friends come over?
They do, a lot of times. They just knock. My best...
Really? He's a guy.
Huh?
Your best friend's a
My
guy.
girl.
Okay.
Yeah.
What color is my eyes?
Dark brown.
Sometimes it's light brown.
Sometimes super light, yeah. It's nice. I want eyes like yours.
Watch. You can cry. I can change the color of my eyes.
No way! No, no, no. No!
That'd be cool if I could, though.
You guys look really good together.
Look, pressure!
Now have fun.
Sa iyong mga ngiti, sa iyong mga tingin na
Ilang sandali pa pinatawag ni Kuya sina Yamyam at Fumiya para sa isang mapusong usapan.
Sa Pilipinas, sa ating bansa, ay meron tayong tradisyonal na paraan kung paano manligaw.
Opo, kuya.
At kahit na lumilipas ang panahon, ito ay nananatili pa rin sa ating kultura. And sometimes, it's a way of respect, showing respect towards a woman. Alam mo ba yung mga tradisyonal na paraan ng panliligaw?
Panghaharana, pagpunta sa bahay ng babae at magsilbi kang doon.
Si Kuya may ipinakuha kay Yamyam para mas maipakita kay Fumiya ang panliligaw ng mga Pinoy.
Wow, beautiful! So now, I demonstrate so that you understand clearly.
Okay.
Diba? You are the girl, and then I'm the boy. Hi.
Hi.
My name is Yam Yam. You?
Mia.
Mia. Oh, so beautiful name.
Salamat.
Can I have a seat?
It's okay.
Mia, can I go to your house?
Bakit?
I want to meet your family.
A little bit scary.
Why?
Because, bakit?
Because I want to ligaw to you. When I visit your house, like this, and then you sing a love song outside your
Outside the house?
Outside. Yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah. Mia, my love, so sweet. Oh, my love. And then, what do you do?
Put food. And through the food. Thank you so much!
Fumiya,
Yes po.
why did you give food to the person?
Because he's singing for me. So, thank you so much!
No, it's not carving. We doing harana in tradition in Filipino to impress the woman. Yeah, diba?
Yeah.
Like this. If you wash your like that, if you wash your clothes and Mia, you have a water? No. I want to get the water to you.
Yeah.
Okay. So I get water to you.
Yeah.
More water, and then another day I came back. Mia, what do you want?
Wow!
Everything. That's what we call paninilbihan.
Paninilbihan.
Yeah.
So what did you learn, Fumiya?
The Filipino clothing is I've never heard That.
Really?
Yeah, so I'm so surprised. But very Filipino is very like heart is very strong heart like a
Strong love.
Yeah, strong love.
Ilang sandali pa isang tasang binigay ni Kuya para sa dalawa.
Mia,
Yes po.
I want you to do a vlog about Filipino courtship. And Yam Yam will be the one to teach you how. So you need someone who will take the part of the woman or girl you are courting.
Tori.
Sorry.
No. No.
He is always Tori.
We will see if you can win her heart. The first test is if you can convince her to join your vlog.
My gosh.
Gas.
Oh my gosh.
Para mapapayag si Tori na sumama sa kanilang vlog, kinuha ni na Fumiya at Yam Yam ang kakailanganin sa storage room.
Tori, we are harana to Tori.
Yeah.
To make yes.
Yeah.
To join our vlog.
Paglabas sa confession room, nauna muna si Fumiya.
Tori. Let's go outside. Is it okay? Talking.
Only her.
What? Why?
Okay.
Yeah, talking.
Did I do something wrong?
Wala.
Wala.
Yeah. I want to know you about
Nande?
Yeah, wala.
Ilang sandali pa,
Fumiya. You with me, di ba, buddies?
There's a guitar.
So you,
I will sing.
we will sing.
He composed the song, and then he was singing. Go.
Oh my God, this is a nice guitar.
When I first saw you, I feel like I don't know.
When
When I first
saw
you,
What is happening?
feel like
Why
I don't know. When me, there is something
Sit down.
special
Why?
for you.
Tori?
Yes.
ano yun boys? Sige na, huwag na kayong matorpe. Sabihin nyo na.
When I first met you, di ba?
What is happening?
I like you because you're beautiful and
Thank you.
I want to know you more. And I want to love you more now. Joke. Kung may ipapagawa ako sa'yo, papayag ka ba?
Sure.
Gagamitin ka sana namin sa vlog. Courtship with
What?
woman in the Filipino tradition.
Okay, sige, go. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sure.
Masaya po kami na napao namin po siya, kuya. Masaya siya kasama po.
Matapos mapa-oo si Tori, kinuha na ng tatlo ang kanilang costumes sa storage
Oh
room.
my Lord.
Nang handa na ang lahat, sinimulan na nila ang kanilang vlog.
3, 2, 1, action.
Una kitang makita, nabighani sa iyong ganda. Mata mo kay gandang pagmasdan, Tori, aking sinta.
His singing face is very serious.
Serious?
2,
Tori. His song is more feeling.
Tori, aking sinta.
Tori. Like that. Tori. Feelings is very. Like that.
And you think Tori felt it?
Hindi.
Ngunit sa gitna ng kasiyahan, si Joaquim mukhang dismayado.
Right.
Really doing his best. Sulat mo kaya, kuya. Sulat mo.
Joaquim, vlog lang. Walang personalan. Selos agad? Sa kanilang paninilbihan na eksena,
Thank you. Salamat, mahal.
Thank you, mahal.
Help me. Tulungan mo ako. Yeah.
Second part is Hanabira Nihan. Diba? What's Nihan? No, Hanabira Nuhan. Hanininabihan.
Ano yun?
Tongue the upward. No, upward. No, not it there, out inside. Like that, okay?
Paninilbihan. Okay. Paninilbihan.
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 Magandang gabi, mahal.
Oh, ano na ginagawa mo?
Sisimulan ko yung pagluluto sa paborito mong paksiw.
Ah,
Kaso lang, mahal, kulang tayo sa panggatong. Kuha ka ang panggatong.
heavy again! Ah! Ah! Aray! Aray ko! Mahal! Mahal! Mahal!
She said, I need wood. And then, I went to forest.
Why did you just not buy?
Because walang supermarket. So, I went to forest.
Ay! Ay!
Salamat, mahal.
Arigato, salamat po. Salamat po.
abangan ang kabuuan ng kwela at nakakaaliw na vlog ni na Fumiya, Yamyam at Tori sa official social media account ng Pinoy Big Brother.
Trip mo talaga si Tori.
Tumingin siya dito. Aray!
Sa living room, nagkwentuhan sina Tori at Andre tungkol kay Joaquim.
I'm kind of like, I think you know. Something happened like last night. That's making me a little bit
Alam ko yun talagang nag-audition eh.
like
Hindi ako nagkakamay.
confused.
Tapos siya,
I was so shocked.
You know,
I had
I was shocked.
no idea. 6 days. Do you develop? You know?
He doesn't want to have any regrets. Perhaps not saying something that he feels. Just go with the flow.
I just got really shocked. I thought we were like bros. Apparently not.
Sa paglalim ng gabi, nagpatuloy na rin ang kwentuhan ng dalawa tungkol sa naging malapit kay Tori mula sa camp na si JC.
No, whatever you say here stays here.
Okay, you'll never tell him this too, right?
JC, no.
Okay. He's just a little shy,
A
but
little bit shy. Yeah.
he's a very funny guy, and he's like the caring, most sweetest, annoying thing in the world.
Yeah?
So like I developed a little crush, right?
Right.
Hanggang sa nagkwento na rin si Andre tungkol kay Lou.
But it's something I've, just been thinking but not been trying to act on. Right now I feel like me and her, we have a friendship. It's just friends. Like that's the way she feels towards me. That's the way I'm portraying it towards her. We are friends, but for me just a little bit,
When did it start?
like within the first week coming here.
Wow!
It's been a long time.
Right.
Just,
And no one has figured it out. What? It's so obvious for me. It's so obvious.
I can't say anything.
Wait, I'll be right back. Enjoy the silence.
How's the song?
Nah.
Yam Yam's really good at guitar talaga.
No,
Pagbalik ni Tori, nagpatuloy sa pagkukwento si Andre.
More to the story.
There's more, right?
So me starting to like
Her.
her from the beginning. But then the whole thing with Abby totally, I believe, restricted me from anything with Lou.
Oh.
Because I felt bad if I tried to do anything with Lou, with Abby, you know, knowing that she had feelings. I kind of felt like me going for Lou in this whole situation wasn't the right thing to do.
No one's gonna stop you now.
No, I know what you mean. Weird of me to just try to try to do something.
Don't do something. Like now you can get to know her even more and see if there's any potential. Because from the way I see it, there is.
ちょっとタイミングが悪いと思ってた。
はい。けど今大丈夫よ。
今結構だけど、
はい。
もうまだわかんないけど。
そ
待って見てます。
う。
でも正直のは彼女のことめっちゃ素晴らしいと思う。
本当。
私の性格と彼女の性格
同じ
がめっちゃ似てる。
ああ。
なんか考え方、とか一緒に終わられるとか。
Kilig me! Sorry.
Samantala sa kabilang parte ng pool area, pinag-uusapan naman ni Lou at Yam Yam si Andre.
mabait siya.
Mabait talaga siya.
Mabait. Talagang mabait.
Mafe-feel mo naman eh. Pero lahat kasi ng trato niya sa tao ganun.
Oh, no?
Very even lang talaga siya. Buti kausap niya si Tori. Kasi parang feeling ko magaan yung feeling niya.
Magaan.
Ni Tori.
You know,
Hindi ganun. I mean,
you want to something.
why?
You want to know.
No, can you not do that?
You want to know from him.
No, hindi. I mean,
No.
magaan.
Sige, ayo.
Kuya,
Di ko
magaan.
kita
Ano ba sabihin? Huwag kang tumingin. Kinikilig ka. Ba't ka kinikilig? Aminin mo na kasi.
May nag-sharing kasi kami ng voice bedroom.
Ano nangyari?
Sabi niya dati na may konting like siya sa'yo pero hindi pa siya sigurado. Kailangan niya pa ng
Can you not?
long...
Huwag ka tumingin. Siyempre, kuya, kinilig ng konti. Kasi matagal-tagal na akong di nakakaramdam ng kilig. Kuya, compliment yun, kuya, na may nagkakagusto sa akin, kuya. Kahit konti lang. Siyempre, nakakatuwa naman pong isipin yun. Pero siyempre, ayoko talaga umasa, kuya. O kaya nga. Huwag ka... Kaya nga. Tumingin siya dito. Aray. Trip mo talaga si Tori.
Hindi, like lang.
Paghanga lang, baya. Tanong natin, wag-survey tayo mamaya.
Sorry. May crush ka sa akin? May crush ka sa akin? May crush ka sa akin? O ano? Sige, mag-uusap lang kayo dyan, di ba?
Di ba wala kayong ginagawa?
Di ba wala kayong nagawang masama? Nag-uusap lang kayo? Nasasaktan ako ah!
Paglipas ng ilang sandali,
We're just like sitting in front of each other.
Yeah.
What? How are you?
Good. And you?
Mabuti naman. Mabuti naman.
Mabuti naman.
Can I hear what you guys have right now?
Sonia Marie.
Tamang here.
I'll just watch from here.
Makinig kayo.
Doon kayo, tapos ako kakanta.
Okay lang, go.
Go!
Go!
Araw-gabi na nanaginip, tulala't may iniisip. Sandalan ka ng aking awit, paparinig sa buong daigdig. Mamaya
That was good.
Yung bang habang buhay, di na maghihiwalay. Sana ikaw na yun.
Kinabukasan muling nabalot ng tensyon ang bahay sa kanilang pagharap sa hamon ng nominasyon. Ang mga housemates naman na kabilang sa mga nominado ay makakakuha ng rosas na kulay itim. Maaari mo nang kunin ang iyong black rose, Joaquim, Tori, Mark, kunin mo na ang black rose. Nang malaman ang pangalan ng mga nominado, si Joaquim may nais gawin.
Sige, let's play spin the bottle. Palabas natin mga ano natin. Kasi parang, I'm not mad. I respect whatever happens. It's just that you can tell me up front. Man to man, woman to man. Kagaya ng sabi mo, di ba, sa camp, parang open na open. Siguro dito, we need to work on being more honest with each other. Let's eat. Tara na.
Hindi ko na alam kung ano siya pa kagabi. Dadagdag.
Maya-maya si Tori naman ang naglabas ng saloobin kay Mary Grace.
It's wala lang. It's so weird kasi I help all of them. Kasi, diba, hindi masyadong maganda yung sa akin.
Kasi tinulungan
I help all of them.
sa costume.
Kasi, and ito pa, I was given lesser days than them.
Yes.
And I made almost everyone's pag
Yun yung sabi ko sa inyo na ang banding nila art na mahirap.
In case na lalabas ako, ate. I love you so much.
At least, kahit paano naging nandito ka.
I'm okay.
Kaya nga, di ba? Ako din.
Nagulat lang ako.
Si Joaquim may pagdaramdam pa rin sa muling pagiging nominado.
Sabi ko, di ba, twice ka nang nakag-go-go-go eh. Maraming lalaban para sa isa.
Basta, iba yung nararamdaman ko. Even if I stay or go, just the fact, balahaw. Kasi di ba parang pamilya na tayo dito. Parang,
Yeah, like that.
Na-hurt lang ako. Kasi parang wala naman akong ano sa kahit kanino, ganun.
Hindi, syempre, tanggapin lang natin na yun talaga yung, di ba? May darating at may aalis talaga.
Paglabas sa garden, may napansin ng housemates.
Anong gagawin baga?
Siyempre,
gonna build
pag ganun, tataas, siguro.
Uy, sige.
And then put.
Ano, pool? Ano? Gusto mo siya?
I think heart shape.
There's a stick.
Because it's Valentine.
Maya-maya, pinatawag ni Kuya sina Tori at Mitch.
Good morning po kayo. Good lang.
Kumusta kayo?
Mabuti naman po. Excited po sa bagong task food.
Kasi may blocks po sa labas.
Since feeling ko araw ng mga puso, baka may related siya sa Valentine, kuya.
Meron akong ipapagawa sa inyong dalawa.
Yes po, kuya.
What? 1, 2, 3.
Kumusta kayo, Cupid Tori and Cupid Mitch? Kayo ay inaatasan ko na Cupido leaders. At ito ay para sa inyong weekly task.
Okay po, kuya.
Housemates, para sa inyong weekly task, susubukin ko ang pagiging matatag ng inyong mga puso. Gamit ang mga styro blocks, kailangan nyong buuin ang isang broken heart sa gitna ng pool. Habang binubuo nyo ang pusong ito, dapat rin ay lagi kayong may suot na costume ni Cupido.
Okay po.
Yes! Do it!
Pagbalik sa mga kasama, agad na ipinaliwanag ng dalawa ang kanilang gagawin.
Yeah. So, ganito ang magiging form
Bubukuin natin ng ganito.
Naisipan ng housemates na simulan na ang kanilang weekly task. Pero sa kanilang paglabas ng kwarto,
Whoa! What's going on here? Wow!
Uy, si ate!
Maya-maya si Kuya ipinatawag si Mary Grace.
Kunin ang paborito mong standee.
Favorite standee of Ate Grace.
Kuya, I want to introduce my future husband. His name is Andre.
Future husband.
Future.
Eh bakit palayo sa'yo yung bulaklak na binibigay niya?
Dapat pala dito? Salamat. Diyos ko lang. Bango.
Okay, Grace.
Kuya.
Gusto mo ba ng forever na remembrance?
Diyos ko, kuya. Gusto ko na forever na remembrance yung walang bawian.
Sige. May ipakukuha ako sa'yo sa storage room. Makakatulong yun dun sa gusto mong mangyari.
Na. Ginoo.
Ipapahiram ko yan sa inyong mga housemates. Pagkatapos, maaari niyong kunan ng sarili ninyo. Pwede niyong galawin yung standee sa iba't ibang lugar ng bahay.
Pagbalik sa bahay, agad na sinimula ng housemates ang picture
9,
taking.
8.
Asan ba titingin? Dito o dito?
Dito, sa lens, kuya. Hala, dito rin ako nakatingin. Muntang ah. Lahat.
Nagkaroon man ng mga pagbabago sa loob ng bahay matapos ang eviction at nomination night, mukhang balik na muli sa kulitan ng ating mga housemates. At kung gusto nyo rin magpa-picture taking kasama ang mga standee ng ating mga housemate, pwedeng-pwede kayong pumunta sa harap ng bahay ni Kuya simula bukas, mga kapamilya. At narito naman ang mga dapat abangan dito pa rin sa nag-iisang teleserye ng totoong buhay, ang Pinoy Big Brother 8.